Once upon a time, in a cozy little town, lived a playful Dalmatian puppy named Spotty. Spotty was known for his beautiful black spots and his boundless energy. One night, while the moon was shining brightly, Spotty heard a soft meow coming from the forest. His heart pounded with curiosity. He felt a bit scared, but his friendship for all creatures made him brave. He ventured into the moonlit forest, his white paws leaving tiny footprints on the dewy grass. The trees swayed gently, whispering secrets to him. In the heart of the forest, he found a little kitten, shivering in the cold. The kitten was lost and scared, meowing pitifully. Spotty's heart went out to the little creature. He gently picked up the kitten with his mouth, cradling it close to his warm body. Together, they walked back to the town, under the watchful eyes of the twinkling stars. The villagers were overjoyed to see Spotty, and they welcomed the little kitten with open arms. They named her Daisy, and soon, Spotty and Daisy became the best of friends. Every day, they would run and play, their laughter echoing through the town. They showed everyone that friendship knows no boundaries, not even species. And so, Spotty learned that helping others can bring unexpected joy. From that day forward, he was not just a playful Dalmatian, but a hero in the hearts of everyone in the town. As the sun set, Spotty and Daisy would curl up together, dreaming of their next adventure under the moonlit sky. And they lived happily, their bond growing stronger with each passing day. The end.